Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are shouting out some of our favorite sneakers on Amazon. You guys, this is the ASICS Gel Excite, and what you're gonna find out about this shoe is that it creates like a cult-like fan following. If you get the Gel Excite, you're probably going to end up getting the next one and the next one and the next one, and just as soon as one wears out, you're gonna rebuy the same shoe. They're that good. This is an amazing shoe for running. It's great for nurses. It's great for anyone that's going to be on their feet a lot because it's just a really comfortable, lightweight shoe. ASICS has, they are just really smart about designing shoes that are going to fit how your foot hits the ground. The Gel Excite is for people that have pretty normal arches. And it's going to just give you the right amount of support. For most people, this is going to be their pick and their choice. This has gel in the heel, so this is going to help give you that little bit of bounce to balance your weight when you strike the ground to just comfortably get the rest of your foot onto the ground, so it distributes the weight evenly and you're not going to have those pressure points, and you're also not going to be overly pronated and collapsing your ankle onto the inside, which can just cause a lot of problems and a lot of pain and discomfort. This is a really comfortable shoe. It is lightweight and it's breathable, and to note as well, it's really quiet when you walk, so you're not going to be shuffling. This is good for night shift nurses for sure, because you're just not going to be squeaking down those hallways. This is a great running shoe as well. Runners are going to love it. Again, professionals are going to love it. And just as a shoe to bounce around town, it's great. And it's an amazing price. And when you order on Amazon, you know that you have Amazon's customer service, super fast delivery, and that A to Z guarantee. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're going to be really happy that you did.